Welcome. In front of me is DELL 7320 Detachable, and in this video I will show you how to run diagnostics on this device. So first of all, connect to the internet on your device and then open the web browser and search for DELL SupportAssist application. Press enter. You'll be able to find the regional website of DELL, from which you'll be able to download the application. Let me quickly translate this page for you. Okay, right here, select Support Assist for home PCs. Scroll down, select Download Support Assist, and the Support Assist installer will be downloaded almost immediately. Open it, click Yes, and then wait until it's downloaded on your PC. It's gonna take a while. And once the application is installed, you will see a menu like this. And here, to start the diagnostics, go to Full System Scan. And here you'll be able to check for the updates, scan your hardware, scan how you can boost performance in your PC, and also optimize network. Basically, the basic diagnostics is just a hardware scan, but you can enable full diagnostics by keeping all the checkboxes checked. I'm gonna leave only the scan hardware option enabled, just because I don't want this video to be that long. And once you're ready to start diagnostics, click Start, and then wait until they are finished. And once the diagnostics is complete, you'll be notified about the results on this page, where you'll be able to also to get to know with your device's health, and also install the required updates if there are any. And that will be all for this video. So thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.